Alright, we're gonna do Steeple of Waterfall. This one is pretty fun and easy, and also pretty short, so this shouldn't take that long, hopefully. I like this one a lot more than whatever the fucking medium was, because the medium was just not fun. I've also beaten this one quite a lot already. I think I've beaten this tower like 4 or 5 times. For no reason, actually. Like, I did it once, and then I did it for a multi-challenge, and then I did it again, and then I did it again, because it's just... This Steeple just flows super well. Alright, that was floor 1. Okay, oh, that's a moving platform, that's not a falling platform. Okay. I think we're going to floor 3, yeah? I'm dying a little bit. Not anymore. Alright, this is floor 3, let's go. There's a lot of nets on this floor. This is a good addition to this sub-realm. Like, this is a fun tower. Boom. So far, so good. Ouch, this hurts really bad. Boom. I think this platform moves, yep, onto floor 4. I'm just gonna jump around. I'm not gonna go the long way around to it, ain't no way. That was risky. Okay, now we'll go the long way around, because that was a bad cycle. Okay, that moves as well. Ouch. Where to next? This way. This floor is so pretty, dude. Okay, now this moves across. I thought that was fucking connected to the thing. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. I want to go fast because this is a fucking short ass Steeple. I wanted to beat this tower in less than 4 minutes, dude, but that's not gonna happen anymore. I mean, there's still a lot of button parameters on this floor, so it's fine. Okay, we're gonna skip everything that's here, because that's just a puzzle, and that's for, I don't know what, I think it's like a secret ending or something like that. I'm not gonna bother with that at all. I don't really remember this floor all too much. Yep, that moves a lot. That moves out of the way, and then we can continue. I think that's the end. I would have beaten it in less than 4 minutes if I didn't fall on floor 4, but it's fine. Still a very short and fun Steeple. That one just doesn't get boring. It's just very short. It's just very fun to play through, I guess. W. I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys in the next one.